Today we're going to be taking a closer look at the BBK Shorty Catted Mid Pipe for the 2008 to 2023 6.1, 6.2, and 6.4 Hemi Challengers with the long tube headers. If you've upgraded your system with some long tube headers but you want to keep emissions compliance without losing power and sound, this mid pipe is definitely worth checking out. This mid pipe is going to improve exhaust performance by replacing the restrictive factory piping with this high flow catalytic converter and pipe. This mid pipe is specifically designed to be used with the Dodge Challengers that have the BBK long tube headers installed, part number 1648 and 16480. This design reduces exhaust back pressure, resulting in improved throttle response, increased horsepower, and torque. The included catalytic converters are going to ensure emissions compliance, making it legal in most states, while still providing better exhaust flow than the stock units. Compared to the stock mid-pipe and cats, this is going to have an impressive sound quality with a crisp, aggressive tone that's louder under load, but remains smooth at cruising speeds. Another nice feature is that it's going to bolt directly onto those BBK long tube headers without cutting or welding, allowing for easy installation and the potential for you to return to the stock if you need it. This is built from aluminized steel construction with mandrel bends. This mid-pipe offers smooth airflow transitions and robust corrosion resistance. The metallic high-flow catalytic converter section is built for high heat durability and sustained performance. These thick, high-precision flanges and the TIG welded seams ensure a proper seal and long-term durability. Now, as far as the pricing goes on this, it's coming in right around that $700 price range. That makes it a cost-effective way to complete your long tube header setup without replacing the entire exhaust system. Installation is going to be rated a 2 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter on this one, and you can have this installed in just 2 hours of your time. Like I mentioned, this is a bolt-on replacement with tight flanges, so no welding is going to be required for that install. Simply unbolt the old mid pipe and install your BBK long tube headers and you're good to go. All right, that's going to wrap up my review of the BBK Shorty Catted Mid Pipe for the 2008 to 2023 6.1, 6.2, and 6.4 liter Hemi Challengers with long tube headers. And for all things Challengers, keep it right here at American Muscle.